Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. It is mid-January 2021 and it is our scheduled buying of the second set of Magical Stocks as indicated in our worksheet. Our first set of Magical Stocks is gaining 41.68% with LTG sold last week with a realized gain of 10,752.77 pesos. We added a column dividend payment to add it to our P&L. In this video, we will show you the screening we did for this month's buying. Before we proceed with our screening, and if you are interested in investing using our Magical Stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Here are the sorted blue chips based on 2021 PER. Data includes 2020 and 2022 PER, 2021 DTE, and 2020 and 2021 dividend yield. We already removed the zero value and moved it to the bottom of the list. Let's start the screening. We will choose 4 stocks of blue chips this time, and the 5th stock, we will choose in sorted high market capitalization stocks. Here are the sorted stocks based on PER. These are the non-blue chip companies that have a market capitalization of more than 50 billion pesos. 2021 DTE is here and with its latest dividend yield performance. We will only choose one stock to mix our roster of Magical Stocks. Our topmost undervalued index stock is DMC, which is already listed as our Magical Stock. We will skip buying this stock. You can still buy this, just look at the trend and the upside of the stock. Next is LTG, which is also a Magical Stock already. We will skip buying this stock. The third is MEG, which is also listed in our first batch of Magical Stocks. Fourth is MBT, which has a PER of 8.6 and a 6.32 DTE. Its DTE is above our 5.5 thresholds. We will skip buying this stock. Fifth is GT Cap, which is already a Magical Stock. We will skip buying this stock. The next stock is MPI, having a PER of 8.72 and a DTE passing our 5.5 threshold, which is equivalent to 1.95. It paid a 2.58% dividend at a share price of 4.4. Seventh on our list is FGen, having a PER of 9.47 and a DTE of 1.12. It is a dividend-paying stock at a 1.99% dividend yield. Eighth is AEV, having a PER of 10.3 with 2.24 DTE passing our threshold. It paid a 2.75 dividend yield. Ninth is TEL, having a PER of 11.4 with a DTE equivalent to 3.75 passing our threshold. It paid a 5.75% dividend. The 10th is SECB, which is already listed as our Magical Stock. We will skip buying this stock. 11th place is AP, having a PER of 12.7 with a 2.27 DTE. It passed our threshold. It is a dividend-paying stock. That completes our list for selection. The stocks that passed our screening are MPI, FGEN, AEV, TEL, and AP. We will choose 4 out of these 5 stocks that passed our screening. Let's proceed with the high market capitalization stocks and screen these stocks. The first stock is CHIB, having a PER of 5.94 with a DTE equivalent to 9.04. We will skip buying this stock for it is over our threshold in DTE of 5.5. The second stock is UBP with PER of 6.10 with a DTE of 6.41, which is higher than 5.5. We will skip buying this stock. The third is FDC with a PER of 6.71. Its DTE is 4.67, passing our threshold. FDC also paid a 1.51% dividend. Fourth on our list is VLL, having a 7.67 PER with 1.78 DTE. It is below our threshold of 5.5 DTE and VLL paid a 1.06% dividend yield. Fifth on our list is MFC with a PER of 9.24 but a very high DTE of 15.67. We will skip buying this stock. The sixth stock in our screening is SCC, having a 13.33 PER with a low DTE of 0.7 and a very high dividend yield of 9.06%. For the non-blue chip high market capitalization stocks, these are the stocks that passed our screening. They are FDC, VLL, and SCC. We will choose one as our Magical Stock. We will now be choosing the 5 stocks for our buying this week. This will be our worksheet now with the chosen stocks. We have chosen MPI, AEV, TEL, and AP for the blue chip stocks. For the non-blue chip stock, we have chosen SCC because of its low DTE and high dividend yield. We will be buying these stocks within the week and we will give an update next week for the status. We will also be monitoring these stocks together with the first set of magical stocks. That will be all for this week's magical stock screening. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will update our portfolio after buying the 5 magical stocks. Quote, "In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable." Unquote. Robert Arnott. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.